Today I'm going to show you how to see account access history in x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is useful if you want to check where your account has been accessed, review recent activity, or make sure everything looks normal. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed into the account you want to check. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left navigation bar and click More. This opens up additional menu options that are not shown by default. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account, privacy controls, and security options. Next, look for Security and Account Access and click it. This section is where x.com keeps the tools related to account protection, login activity, and app permissions. After that, click Apps and Sessions. Here you can review connected apps, active sessions, and other account access details. Finally, click Account Access History. This will show you the history of account access so you can review recent sign-ins and activity tied to your account. And that's it. You've now found the account access history in x.com or Twitter. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.